In this class, we are going to learn how to customize the page title for our Visual Builder application. Now here, if you see, when I preview my application, this will be applicable to any staged or live application as well. You will see the HTTP URL over here. Now this is not a very good practice if you are developing your applications for a consumers. If you are building your applications for a business, then it will be fine, because in the consumer space, Google or any search engine will not show your website in the search results if you have this URL in your page title. It is one of the major aspects to name the pages appropriately from search engine optimization perspective. Now before going into hands-on and see how to implement the same in Visual Builder application, we will look at the documentation by W3 on how to add the page title to any web pages and more details. I am here in the documentation page by w3schools.com. Here they have mentioned that the title tag will define the title of the document. Now where to add this title is in index.html page, the same page where we have added the favicon image link. As they say, the contents of the page title is very important for search engine optimization, as the search engine algorithms will show your results or the web pages in their results when anybody searches if you name the pages properly. So we need to make use of this title tag in our index.html in order to define the title for a web page. Now we will learn how to add the same. Now here they have mentioned that which and all browsers are supporting this page title. So it is supported by almost all the popular browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, Safari and Opera. So if you want to style your page title, you can do. By default it will be display as none. So this is the CSS. Now without wasting much time, let's see how to do the same with the help of our Oracle Visual Builder applications. I am going to make use of the same application which we had seen in our earlier class, wherein we had seen how to add the favicon image in the browser tab that is next to the page title. Over here, if you see the emoji, this is what we have added. If you have not watched that class, please check out the class and learn how to add the favicon image. Now in order to add the page title, what we need to do is we need to copy this title tag starting and ending. Just copy this from here, and after the head just paste it. Now let me rename this to Visual Builder app title. So it is always a good practice to title your pages in a lengthy characters. From search engine optimization perspective, you shouldn't name your page titles in 2 or 3 words. Basically up to 50 to 60 characters this page title supports. So we can make use of this in order to accommodate almost all the keywords which the search engine like Google or Bing can use, and it can list your web pages in their web results. So once you add this, we need to refresh this page, else the changes done in index.html won't be reflected when you preview your application. So once the browser gets refreshed, we need to click on this preview. As soon as you preview, if you see, our URL in the browser tab is now changed to Visual Builder app title. So like this, we can customize the page title in a browser with the help of this title tag. Now for the people who don't know how to traverse to this index.html page, we need to go to this source, click on this source, then we need to come to this web apps. Currently I am having only one web app created within this application. Expand this. So if you expand that, at the end you will see index.html. You need to come over here under the head tag. We need to place this or paste this title tag. Within the title tag, we need to name our web page. So like this, we can customize the browser tab with the favicon as well as with the page title. So in our coming classes, we will learn more such customizations.